Good morning. Infancy, babyhood, early and late childhood, puberty, and early adulthood. Prenatal period. Progress before the birth. Prenatal development has three phases. Germinal stage. This is the first 2 weeks, the conception, implementation, formulation of the placenta. The embryonic stage, 2 weeks or 2 months, formation of the vital organs and system. Fetal stage, this is from 2 months to birth. Till growth continue, movement of capability begins, brain cells multiply, age of viability. Infancy, from birth to 2 years old, extremely dependent on adults, beginning of psychological activities. Language of newborn is crying or cry. Usually eat every 2 to 3 hours. Uncoordinated movement. Toothless. For vision, usually double weight by 9 months. Respond to human voice and touch. 1 year old. Changes from plump baby to learners more muscular toddler. Begins to walk and talk. Ability for passive language. Tentative sense of independence. Determined explorer. 2 years old. Begins to communicate verbally. Can usually speak in 3 to 4 word sentence. Famous for negative behavior. Will play side by side other children but does not actively play with them. Great imitator. Childhood 3 to 5 years. Wants to be like parents. Vocabulary and pronunciation continue to expand. Climb stairs with alternating feet. Can briefly stand on one foot. 4 years old. Sentences are more complex. Speak well, enough for a stranger to understand. Imagination is vivid. Line between what is real and imaginary is often indistinct. Develop fears, common fear just like fear of dark, fear of animals, and fear of death. Middle and late childhood, from 6 years old to 12 years old. Both large and small muscles, well developed. Develop complex more skills, from independent activities to same-sex group activities. Acceptance by peers is very important. Parental approval still important. Lessons from 13 to 18 years old. Traumatic life stage for child and parent. Puberty occurs. Extremely concerned with appearance. Trying to establish self-identity. Confrontation with authority. Early adulthood from 19 to 29 years old. Physical development complete. Emotional maturation continue to develop. Usually learn to accept responsibility for action and accept criticism. Usually know how to profit from error. Socially progress from age-related peer group to people with similar interests. What is the outstanding behavior traits of each stage? A. Infancy and early childhood, from birth till 6 years old. In this stage, the child begins to learn different physical activities like walking, crawling, as well as they started to read and form concepts. Middle childhood, from 6 years old to 12 years old. Middle childhood is then where the child learns different skills for simple games, as well as developing the concept of everyday living. Letter C. Adolescence, from 13 years old to 18 years old. During the adolescence period, the child achieves more mature relationship with others. The child gets to know oneself and prepare himself for the coming years. Early adulthood, from 18 years old to 30 years old. Year 1 is now ready to settle down and begin a family as well as new life. One look for a career to help in raising himself and his family, practicing as well as socially. Letter E. Middle age, from 30 years old to 60 years old. The middle age is where one is able to see clearly his future. Here is the one that helps his children as well as other teenagers to become more responsible. Here is one is available to adapt everything that is happening to health, physical, emotional, and even socially. Late maturity from 60 years old and over. In this stage, one is adjusting to the happening of his life. Here one needs to adjust to understand everything, especially in death. Physical and personality development of a baby. Physical development. During the first year, increase in weight proportionally greater than the increase in height. During the second year, reverse is true. Weight increase comes mainly from the increase in fat, height proportion. Head grows slowly down in the babyhood while the trunks and limbs grow increase. Thus, the baby gradually become less top-heavy and appear more slender and less chunky by the end. Personality development in babyhood. A critical period in personality development. Emotional deprivation has revealed that personality changes are the most inevitable accompaniment because the mother is the most constant companion, the kind of a person she is and the kind of relationship they shared will have profound influence on the baby's personality. Something unfavorable occurs in the environment are subject to damage. 6 differences in personality begin to appear as early as the first year of life. Patterns established early in life remains almost unchangeable as the child grows older. Changes in the personality pattern in babyhood. Quantitative change. There is a strengthening or weakening of the traits already present. Qualitative change. Socially undesirable trait is replaced by one that is socially and more desirable. Personality development in babyhood. Critical period in the personality development. Changes in the personality pattern. In relationship. Cause of changes in the family relationship. Dream child concept. Degree of dependency. Parental anxiety. Child training method. Maternal employment. Maternal overwork. Arrived of the new sibling. Relationship with older siblings. Preference of a certain family member. Hazard of babyhood. Psychological hazard, motor development hazard, speech hazard, emotional hazard, social hazard, play hazard, family relation hazard. Definition of personality. Personality is a Latin word which comes from a word persona, means a mass. Personality is defined in terms of social attractiveness, ability of a person to get along, study of individual, which his individuality, by which we may say a person has greater personality or person B has no personality. What is development? Development is a product of interaction of individual which environment start from the head, proceed towards heel. Development sequence is creeping, crawling, walking, and continuous. Different aspect of development is interrelated. Physical, mental, social, and moral developments are interrelated to each other. Development is individualized process which based on growth and experience. 3 domains of development: physical development, cognitive, and psychological development. Physical development involve all these changes occurring in person, body like height, weight, and the brain and heart and other structure and process in the skeletal, muscular, and neurological features that affect the motor skill. Cognitive development it involves all changes that occurs in the mental activity, including sensation, perception, memory, thoughts, reasoning, and language. Psychological development includes all those changes that concern with persons, personality, emotions, relationship with others, society distinguish. between child, adolescents, and adults. Jean Piaget theory. The theory is based on the idea that the developing child builds cognitive structure. He described the mechanism by which the mind processes the new information. He said that a person understands whatever information fit to his established view of the world. When information does not fit, the person must re-examine and adjust his thinking to accommodate new information. Piaget described the four stages of cognitive development and relates them to the new person's ability to understand and assimilate new information. Factors affecting personality. Number 1 is hereditary and number 2 is environment. Hereditary. Number 1, body build of an individual. Number 2, intelligence inherited from ancestor. Number 3, hormones fluid produced by the body of an individual. Environment factor. Number 1, social characteristic of an individual. Number 2, economical status, being rich or poor. Number 3, education gain. Number 4, observe, perceive. Number 5, examination made. Number 6, provision of healthy food. Number 7, privilege made available. Number 8, good parenting care. Number 9, warm love and acceptance by associated. Number 10, living in a good area versus slum. Number 11, societal demand. Number 12, work environment. 13, home environment. 14, company of friends chosen to be associated. Number 15, career chosen. Number 16, geographic region to which an individual belongs. 5 stages of personality development. Number 1, self-awareness. Number 2, psychological and emotional intelligence. Number 3, aptitude. Number 4, behavior modification. Number 5, self-motivation. Awareness is the capacity of introspection and the ability to recognize oneself as an individual separate from the environment and other individuals. Awareness, sometimes also referred to the self-knowledge or introspection, is about understanding your own self, needs, desire, feelings, habit, and everything else that make you tick. The more you know about yourself, the better you are adapting the life changes that suit to your needs. Psychological and emotional intelligence. The ability to manage emotion, including the ability to regulate your own emotion and the ability to cheer up or calm down other person. Controlling emotion is crucial. Emotions are fundamental function of personality development. Number 3 is attitude. A tendency to respond positively or negatively toward a certain idea, object, person, or situation. Attitudes influence an individual's choice of action and respond to challenges. Incentives and rewards, together called stimuli. 4 major components of attitudes is affective, cognitive, conative, and evaluative. Number 4 is behavior modification. Behavior management is also called behavior modification. Attempts to guide or motivate individuals to change their interaction in a certain setting. Positive behavior, learn to react in the most appropriate manner. Number 5 is self-motivation. Self-motivation is the ability to satisfy desired expectation or goal without being influenced to do so by another person. People who are well motivated tend to be more organized and have a good time management skills and more self-esteem and self-confidence. Fundamental of self-motivation is goal setting. Thank you.